In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get GoDaddy promo codes so you can save money on domains, hosting, email, and other services. Whether you're starting a new website or renewing an existing domain, using the right promo code can make a big difference. I'll walk you step by step through the best places to find working GoDaddy discounts and how to apply them correctly at checkout. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple money-saving tech tutorials. Let's get started. The first and most reliable place to find GoDaddy promo codes is directly on GoDaddy's official website. Open your browser and go to GoDaddy.com. Then scroll down to look for sections like deals, promotions, or offers. Sometimes you'll see banners at the top of the homepage advertising discounted domains, hosting plans, or limited-time offers. Clicking into these sections will show you active promotions that are guaranteed to work because they're coming straight from GoDaddy. Next, you can search on Google using terms like GoDaddy promo code or GoDaddy discount code. When you do this, you'll usually see a mix of blog posts, deal websites, and sometimes even limited-time promotional landing pages. Make sure you check the date on any article or page you visit to ensure the code is current. Focus on recent listings and avoid codes that look outdated. This method can uncover special deals that aren't always featured prominently on the homepage. Another powerful method is subscribing to GoDaddy's email newsletter. Go to their website and sign up with your email address. GoDaddy frequently sends exclusive promo codes, personalized offers, and early access to sales directly to subscribers. Sometimes these email-only discounts are better than what you'll find publicly advertised. If you're planning to buy soon, it's worth subscribing a few days in advance to see what offers come through. You should also keep an eye on seasonal sales. GoDaddy typically runs major promotions during Black Friday, Cyber Monday, New Year sales, and other holiday events. During these periods, you can often find some of the biggest discounts of the year on domains and hosting packages. If your purchase isn't urgent, waiting for one of these seasonal sales can save you a significant amount of money. Another option is checking well-known coupon websites like RetailMeNot, Coupons.com, or other popular deal platforms. Search for GoDaddy on these sites and browse through the available codes. Pay attention to user ratings or comments if they're available, as these can indicate whether a promo code is currently working. Keep in mind that not every listed code will be valid, so you may need to test a couple of options. Don't forget to check GoDaddy's social media accounts as well. Visit their profiles on platforms like Twitter, Facebook, or Instagram. Companies sometimes post flash sales, partner promotions, or exclusive social media discount codes. Following their accounts can help you catch limited-time deals. Once you've found a promo code you want to use, add your desired domain or product to your cart on GoDaddy's website and proceed to checkout. During the checkout process, look for a box labeled promo code or discount code. Enter your code carefully, making sure there are no extra spaces, and then click Apply. You should immediately see the updated price reflecting the discount. If the code doesn't work, double-check that it hasn't expired, and review the terms to make sure it applies to the product you're purchasing. If needed, try another valid code. And that's it. Those are the best ways to find and use GoDaddy promo codes to save money on your next purchase. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you never miss another easy guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.